Let's add another value at the end of an array. So I say tell me what happens if I do this. Click run. This int values array contains 4 integer elements. It uses index from 0 up to 3 to assign values to these 4 elements, right? The upper bound of the array is 3. If you try to use an index 4 which is greater than the upper bound, index out of range exception will be thrown when this statement executes. You can see the error detail here. Keep in mind, you cannot change the size of an array. That means you cannot add or remove elements from the array. But yes, you can replace the elements easily. The only way to add fifth element is to create a larger array. Let's access array elements individually using an index. This is the syntax. Array name followed by an index position inside the square brackets. You can use this syntax to retrieve the value at a specific position in the array. Let's access first element with an index 0. Click run. You can see the value here. Actually, array is a single block of memory in which the items are stored sequentially, one after another. So knowing the index of a particular item in the array is the same as knowing its physical location in the computer's memory. That's why array is extremely fast and efficient when it comes to locating an item using an index. Let's look at this line. You tell the computer, retrieve the fourth item in the array, and you pass an index 3. The computer skips the first 3 elements and jumps to the fourth item right away, without counting from the beginning of the array to the fourth item. That's why, when it comes to accessing items, nothing can beat the array. Okay, what if I do this? What do you think will be displayed? It's fine to pause video for a few moments while you decide. Okay, let's see. Crashed. If you try to access the element and pass an index that doesn't exist in the array, an exception or error is thrown with this message, index out of range exception. This makes sense because there is no element with an index 4 in this array. To avoid the error, you can do this. This if condition will tell you whether 4 is a valid index into the array or not. If the index I am using is less than the array length, then it is safe to use the index. See, no error.